Are you looking for the best industrial 3D printer? We settled on 4 products, across a range of budget points and specialist needs. Though not every printer will fill every niche, we hope that at least one of our choices today will suit your print needs. Number 1, JG Maker A9 Pro. One of our favorite professional 3D printers, the JG Maker A9 Pro is a top industrial grade 3D printer capable of printing to large sizes and accommodating a wide range of filaments. This 3D printer adds tremendous value to any manufacturing process, boasting a respectable build volume of 500mm by 400mm by 600mm. This 3D printer accommodates a wide range of printing briefs for architects, engineers and anyone else wishing to create sterling 3D models. Detail isn't lost to scale, however, as the printer employs highly precise Z-axis controls to maintain consistent accuracy from the magnetic print heads, with automatic leveling and compatibility with a wide range of filaments such as ABS. The A9 Pro adds tremendous value to any business. What detracts value, however, is the print speed. Whilst not blisteringly slow, the A9 Pro isn't fast enough for all applications, which can cause backlogs in the process. We still think it's worth the cost, however, and highly recommend the A9 Pro. Number 2, Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus. If your production pipeline needs to print using a wide range of filament, consider the Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus, a sterling print solution from Raise 3D, capable of highly precise rendering of the most complex models. This 3D printer is ideal for varied industrial-grade printing, with a huge range of compatible filaments, from olfactory favorites like PLA to more niche options like wood or carbon fiber. The Pro 2 Plus is immensely versatile. Factor that in with dual extruders that allow for dynamic multi-filament designs or multicolor prints. With a build volume of 305mm by 305mm by 605mm, you've got ample space to allow your designs to come to fruition, and the 32-point control board ensures constant accuracy. What's less accurate, however, is the Pro 2 Plus software. With inconsistent connection and poor functionality, it can be a struggle to set up more complex prints. Once you get going, the Pro 2 Plus is a tremendous 3D printer for multiple filaments. Number 3, Dremel Digilab 3D45 3D printer. With excellent productivity, unintuitive interface, and advanced printing technologies, the award-winning Dremel Digilab 3D45 is another top industrial 3D printer with a more budget-friendly price point. One of the standout features of this 3D printer is its built-in fit reader, which detects whatever filament you load into it and optimizes the printing settings accordingly, to guarantee intricate printing no matter what filament you choose. You can even observe this printing in progress via the built-in HD camera. It also features a rigid glass bed that adheres to the models tightly until the printing cycle ends. With varied print filaments such as ABS and nylon, there's plenty to like about the 3D45. Something we dislike, however, is the print speed. At 150mm per second, we're somewhat underwhelmed by the trade-off between quality and speed. It's the cost of the budget model, so if it's not a huge concern, then we still highly recommend the 3D45. Number 4, JG Maker 800C. For the ceiling of quality on your industrial 3D printer, the JG Maker 800C is well worth its admittedly high price. Boasting a huge build volume, this incredible unit is a great large model for high-end 3D printing, boasting an 800mm by 800mm by 500mm build volume. You've ample room to create stunning 3D prints. An SLA printer, this uses laser-guided systems to create highly accurate prints within 0.05mm. The intuitive software automatically detects the correct settings for different resin types, and adjusts print settings accordingly, and other intelligent systems work to minimize rippling and warping. This printer is intelligent, efficient and industrial grade. However, be aware before buying that SLA printers are limited to specifically silicone-based filaments. meaning you have less versatility than other printers. JG Maker offer plenty of options within that limit, however, and the 800 SE is still a worthwhile 3D printer investment.